Hello kids, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do time, work and distance. In the previous chapter, we have already seen that if the rate of work is constant, then the time varies directly as the work. But for the given amount of work, the time taken varies inversely as the number of workers. Thus, the problem on the time and the work are the application of direct and inverse variation. For example, if A can write 10 pages in 15 minutes, then he can write 30 pages in 45 minutes. Rate of work is constant, so time varies directly as work. If 20 people working together can finish the piece of work in 7 days, then 10 people working together can finish the same piece of work in 14 days, and 40 people will finish it in 3 1/2 days. You notice the number of people increase and the time taken decrease. When the number of people decrease, time taken increase. In this chapter, we will deal with a slightly more difficult problem related to time and work. Before taking the problem, let us revise some rules. So, rule number 1, suppose A can finish a piece of work in n days. Then the work done by A in 1 day equals to जाएगा 1 upon nth part of the work. Unitary method का use करेंगे. Suppose that work done by A in 1 day equals to 1 upon nth part. Then time taken by A to finish the whole work equals to जाएगा n days. Now we'll take an example. Ram can finish a piece of work in 12 days and his friend Shyam can finish the same work in 15 days. How much time will they take if both Ram and Shyam work together? So, Ram 12 days में finish करता है, so Ram का 1 day का work हो जाएगा 1 upon 12 work. Shyam can finish the work in 15 days. So, he can do in 1 day 1 upon 15th work. So, अब जब दोनों करेंगे साथ में मिलके तो क्या हो जाएगा 1 डे का 1 upon 12 प्लस 1 upon 15, that is 9 upon 60. ये है work. We have to find the days. Ram and Shyam together can finish the work in 1 divided by 9 upon 60. So 1 into 60 upon 9, ये हो जाएगा 6 2/3 days. So hence they can finish in 6 2/3 days working together. अगर दोनों साथ में करें तो इतने दिन में वर्क को फिनिश करेंगे. Some more examples are given here. Do practice them. Next is exercise 9A. A can do a piece of work in 18 days and B can do the same work in 24 days. In how many days can they complete it if they do it together? So, A can finish the work in 18 days. So, A का 1 day का work क्या हो जाएगा 1 upon 18 and B का हो जाएगा 1 upon 24. दोनों अगर साथ में करेंगे ऐड कर देंगे, LCM is 72. 7 upon 72 days. Now we have to find number of days. तो उसको रिवर्स कर देंगे. Number of days हो जाएंगे 72 upon 7, 10 2/7 days. If both work together तो वो करेंगे 10 2/7 days में complete work को. Clear? You have to practice all the questions. Next is time and distance. Some important formulas. Speed equals to distance upon time, distance equals to speed into time, and time equals to distance upon speed. Tips. To solve the problem related to time and distance, we can use the principle of variations such as the greater the speed, the greater the distance traveled in particular time. When the speed remain constant, the distance traveled is directly proportionate to the time. The greater is the speed, the lesser the time taken to travel the distance. Next, some important conversions. As you know, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, 1 hour equals to 60 minutes or 3600 second. So, x किलोमीटर पर आवर को हमें कन्वर्ट करना है मीटर पर सेकेंड में. सो किलोमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1000 से, एंड आर क्या है अपॉन में, यहाँ पे आर अपॉन में, वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इनटू सेकेंड. सो 60 इंटू 60, सो x इंटू 5/18 मीटर पर सेकेंड. सो if we have to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, we will multiply by 5/18. और अगर मीटर पर सेकेंड को किलोमीटर पर आवर में करना है, we'll multiply 18/5. We'll take an example. A bus is running with the speed of 50 km per hour. How much distance will it cover in 3 1/2 hours? So speed of the bus is 50 km per hour, time 3 1/2 hours और 7/2 hours. So distance क्या हो जाएगा, speed into time, 50 into 7/2, that is 175 kilometer. So the bus will cover 175 kilometer distance in 3 1/2 hours. Clear? Some more examples are given here. Do practice them. Next is exercise 9B. Convert each of the following speed into meter per second. First is 36 km per hour. So we have to convert it into meter per second. So we'll multiply by 5/18 meter per second. So ये हो जाएगा 10 meter per second. Clear? So you have to practice all these questions. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.